Magandang araw po sa ating lahat para po sa ating Bible knowledge of the day sa Proverbs 16:32. He that is slow to anger is better than the mighty. Yan po yung first part ng inaral natin nung nakaraan. And he that ruleth his spirit than he that taketh a city. So yan po ang pamagat natin. He that ruleth his spirit. Napakaganda po. Okay? So yung roulette po dyan, masyal sa Hebrew word, ang ibig sabihin ay dominion, govern, have power. So tignan nyo po yung verse. He that slow to anger is better than the mighty. Kung mahinaon ka at kontrolado mo ang anger mo, hindi ka high blood, hindi ka madaling magalit, better ka pa than a warrior. Diba? Yung champion, yan po yung mighty. Warrior, champion. Oho. And he that ruleth his spirit, sabi ng Bible, kung narurule mo, nag-govern mo, you have power over your spirit, then he taketh a city. Diba? Mas mahalaga yung narurule mo yung spirit mo, then he taketh a city, kaysa nakukuha mo yung city, yung conquering, yan po ang ginagawa nila ng araw, conquering city after city after city. So, mas better pa daw. Alright, yung nakokontrol mo ang yung spirit kaysa sa nakukuha mo yung city. Kasi, buhay mo yan eh. Di ba? Yung nakasalalay ang buhay mo sa spirit mo kung ano ang attitude mo. Kasi po, kung hindi mo makontrol ang sarili mo, talagang kung ano-anong nasasabi mo, kung ano-anong nagagawa mo, na natitik advantage ang tao, maraming mapapahamak. So, kaya nga, staying calm during arguments instead of reacting angrily. Yan po. Number 1, staying calm during arguments instead of reacting angrily. So pagka nag-uusap kayong mag-asawa, imbes na galit agad, high blood agad, stay calm during arguments. Slow to anger, rule your spirit para maganda ang resulta ng pag-uusap kaysa yung ako ang siga dito, ako yung leader dito, so galit agad. Hindi ganun. So, pinakamahalaga po is staying calm. Next, controlling impulses like frustration, pride, or revenge. So, yung impulse mo, diba? Yung galit ka agad, yung gusto mo gumanti agad, yung, kumbaga, meron ka agad may isip na hindi maganda. So, gusto mo maghigante. Pinakamaganda, controlling. Kaya nga, he that ruleth spirit than he that taketh a city. Imbes na gaganti ka sa city na yan, kung may nagawang hindi maganda, rule your spirit. Tignan niyo po sa, ngayon, Middle East, di ba? So, talagang laban-laban. Oho. So, kung hindi nila makontrol, talagang mapupulbos ang Iran. So, kung hindi magpaawat ang Iran, mapupulbusin. And next, practicing patience, especially in stressful situation. Practicing patience, napakalaga po yan. Maging pasensyado pag stressful ang situation. Magpakalma ka muna. O hindi yung uwi ng bahay, galit na galit. So, kung galit, dahil pagod daw, pahinga mo. Sa ating pong principles of the day, sabi ko dyan, control your anger or your anger controls you. Number 2, if you can govern your spirit, then you can live a great life. Number 3, staying calm when you are angry is a reflection of the character of God inside of you. So, nagpapakita na may Diyos ka kung ikaw ay kalmado. Okay? God bless you po. Maging control your anger, rule your spirit. God bless you po. Magandang araw.